I founded Education for Sustainability in 2017, and previous to this I volunteered and went to college in Dublin Zoo. When I was immersed in the environment of working in the zoo and working with conservationists who have literally dedicated their lives to the natural world. And meanwhile, my own 4 children were navigating the education system, and it was a stark contrast of what I was working and living with in the zoo, all of the elements of the natural world that I was learning about. And then I was looking at the national curriculum, and I really saw a deficit for environmental education in schools, which I became really alarmed about. So with that, I decided to write an 8-week climate literacy course that would provide young people with the knowledge, the skills, the tools and the awareness to learn about these issues, taking abstract concepts of climate change, biodiversity loss, issues around fashion and plastic, transport, food and soil, but also, and most importantly, they learn how to take action.
Our course covers lots of different topics, and what I love about that is that students can take the topic that they are most passionate about and take that forward with an action project, such as students that have been incredibly interested in fast fashion have decided to undertake a swap shop. Another example would be peer education workshops that students run, where the objective is to pass on the information that we've given them to other students. By far, the most important skill that our students can take away from our time with them is critical thinking. Critical thinking allows students to look at any problem and easily come up with a solution, whether they're applying that to their own lives or to a wider global scale.
We want our young people to have hope for the future, and all of our programs are solution focused. After all, we're at the cusp of another industrial revolution, and some of the jobs that our young people will end up doing don't actually even exist yet. And for me, that gives me a great sense of hope for our future.